Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video guys, I will teach you on how to unenroll in Google Classroom. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Google Classroom is one of the most popular learning management system that is being offered by Google Incorporated. It is used by many schools around the world. So supposing that the student has already finished the subject, the next step that the student can do or the teacher can do is to unenroll the student, or the student would like to unenroll in that particular course. In Google Classroom, it is very easy to do it. So in this example, I have several programs here. Let's say for example, this app development using Flutter. I have already finished this one, and then I want to unenroll myself. Simply click these three dots and then select unenroll. Now take note, once you unenroll, there's no way that you can re-undo the course that you unenroll, so be careful. Okay, let us click unenroll. Okay, so unenroll from app development using Flutter. You will be removed from this class. All your files will remain in Google Drive. Click unenroll. Okay, so that's it. From 5 course, I have already the remaining 5 from 6 course. I have already remaining 5 course. So that's it guys, no? That is the way how we can unenroll ourselves in Google Classroom. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.